To download the Azure agent for Passportal, click Clients. Click the Actions menu for the client. And select Edit Client. Select Connect to Azure from the Microsoft Sync drop-down. Toggle the Mute Azure Sync setting for password processing of the Azure connection. Click Authenticate. Enter the Microsoft sign-in credentials and click Next. Enter the authenticator code and click Verify. Select the checkbox for consent and click Accept. A window appears to confirm a successful login to Azure. This window will close automatically. Click Save. Click Yes to update the client. A cloud icon appears in the Microsoft Sync column to indicate the client is connected to Azure.